How fast can we find a profitable online arbitrage product? What we're going to do today is we're going to dig into this tool that is my target list, which is the list that my VAs build every single day to source online arbitrage product for my business, okay? Anything going on online is pretty much in this list, all right? So today, we have 64 sales ending today, but we have not a lot of sales today, only 25 new sales today. That's not a lot, that's fine. We're just going to dig on what's going on today. So 25 sales. We have some Bogo at Aeropostale, Paxson, Lids, CB2, calls. I'm not going to look at calls because my team already looked at calls. So let's look at Macy's, all right? It's been a while that I looked at Macy's myself. So oftentimes you can find good deals at Macy's. So they have up to 50% off on clearance plus an extra 30%. Since it's Macy's, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the brand that they have on sale, and I'm going to look at if there's some Nike. Great. So there are some Nike products on clearance. Let's see if we can make something happen. Okay. 30% off, $39.90 for one of these bags. These are good, but these are like, you can get them pretty cheap. Okay, great. So what we can make happen is this. So the great thing with Macy's is that giftcardwiki.com, we can get some really good gift cards. Macy's up to 6%, but if you go to Topcashback, right, and you go into the gift cards on topcashback.com, you can get some really good gift cards. I believe they're at like 10% off. So let's check. Boom, gift cards, shop gift cards. Because this is going to be really good. So if we actually look at this on Amazon, this can be decent. If not this one, the kind of the sport bag that was under it could be decent. Because if we get this at $39.90, I believe the gift cards are these, let's call it 10%. I believe the gift cards are 10%, but we're going to double check. We would get it at like 35. Macy's. We're gonna need to go through a couple of pages. Macy's 11.7, which is even better than what I said. Let's do this. Let's try to find this product right now. So Nike Brasilia backpack. Let's just do Brasilia because I saw the other bag, the duffel. Yeah, the duffel was there. This one is restricted for me. That sucks. Well, all of these are restricted. Okay, so this one I can actually sell. This one, let's check. It's the, yeah, so that's the fourth one. That's the large one. I think this one is the small one. Okay, that's interesting. So that's the small one. If we do Nike Brasilia large, we might be able to find it. Large duffel bag, here we go. So the large duffel bag is at 46, some are at 57. The small one, to be honest, the small one might be on sale as well. If all of these are on sale, the small one may actually be on sale. By the way, this is probably cooking. I'm not gonna lie. We might actually just find our profitable products right there. These usually cook, if I remember correctly. I think I sold these in the past. No, there's a lot of different listings. But yeah, they sell for 42, right? But this is 2 million. This is 27, but it's restricted. You just need to dig to find the ones that are not restricted. But all of these are restricted. Per 3 million rank. That's not ideal, to be honest. That's not ideal. Because these might actually cook. Let's see. But Zappos is selling them, which is why they're restricted. Okay, that's taking a little bit longer than it was supposed to. These are restricted. No, here's what I needed to do. So Nike Brasilia, right? Boom, boom. Let's check this out. Let's dig. Nike Brasilia 9.5, 32.90. Okay, perfect. 32.90. I found it in the past at 22.76. 32.90. 11.7%. Here we go. We get it at 29.05. It's not good enough. We still need to dig a little bit. We still need to dig a little bit. That's not on sale. Some of these boxers are going to do good, just not these. Wait. Micro boxer. Yeah, we're almost there. So, not gonna lie, I saw some products that are profitable, but like, I just know they're profitable. It would be cheating on the first page, right? So I skipped them. I'm just going. If you looked until here, so if we're 6 minutes in, like I'll tell you right now, okay? So these, no, it's not on sale. These are profitable, okay? So these are profitable. If you need to add to carts to actually see the price, these are profitable. I'm just telling you they're profitable. It's a product that I know very well. 29.40 is not good enough. We need to keep digging, keep digging, keep digging. So the good thing is these, yeah, the issue with Nike now is that there's a lot of listings where Amazon is selling. But the good thing is that a lot of people are gated in Nike, so it's really easy to make a profit if you can sell Nike. Add to bag. These might actually be good. Stuff like that sometimes does good. Some Dodger things. Let's check this out. Let's check this out. We need to add to bag to see the price. And then we can get 30% off. We get these at 20 minus 30%. We get these at 14. Nike Big Girl Swoosh Sports Bra. Let's check it out. So is this actually going to be profitable? 7 minutes in. We're kind of slow. Restricted. Is that okay? Yeah, it's not women's size because I see S, M, L, XL. Big girl is like right after. Yeah, it's not the women one. But yeah, that's big kid sizes. Let's make it happen. Let's just look manually. That's the issue with Nike now, because you need to find a listing that you can actually sell. This one is cooked. Amazon is selling it. This one might actually cook. Okay, let's check. Yeah, big kids. Here we go. So 30 to 20, we get it at 20 minus 30%. We get it at 14. 14, boom, we're cooking. Here we go, profitable product. If you want to add sales tax, if you want to add prep fee, right? To add whatever you want, this product is still profitable. Okay, and I add the sales tax and prep fee, which you should never pay both at the same time. So yeah, here we go. We found, let's just double check. Yeah, that's the one. So we found our profitable product, okay? That's how you do it. 9 minutes. We were a little bit slow today, okay? I think I might actually do one of these a week. I need to beat this time. So tomorrow, next week's time that I need to beat will be 9 minutes, okay? Yeah, I mean, that's a decent product. The rank is a little bit high actually, but it goes down. I mean, the price is just too high right now. If you reduce the price a little bit, you're cooking. Yeah, that's a profitable product of the day. I'll see you next week to try to beat this time. And yeah, I mean, I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for